if you can smell this, is that a good sign or not?
I don't know.
Cool.
Real ugly. Oh, buddy. This shit a hoot. That's yeah. These movies a lot closer together. Alright people, this is going well as you can tell. No faults yet. Let's get the rest of this trimmed off. See how it fits and adjust as needed.
Perfect.
That was pretty good for
Pretty smooth.
for eyeballing.
I mean, we'll see.
Oh, Jay.
No, a little sandpaper can't fix.
No.
Oh, we should have stopped at the hardware store and gotten sandpaper.
Yeah. I have sandpaper inside.
Oh, so never
I
mind.
just didn't have it here.
I gotta take more off. Over here.
Yeah, we'll see.
For sure. Told you.
Sure, it'll take more off. I don't even know how well these are gonna work with the whole door opening though, because like I feel like it's just gonna.
No, it'll be good.
No, it's hitting here for sure.
But when it's bolted in,
when
it
it's
should be
on there,
good.
it should be good. Never mind. Yeah, so that's
But
gonna.
I'm like the Steve Jobs of eyeballing someone else's work. That's a good title, bro. It's a good title. Bro, this is such a fire garage to have, like, it's such a fire pick, bro.
Okay, fuck my mask. It was before.
PPE.
Pussy protection every day.
You don't. Cuts off his hand, not the lip.
Oh, that's not good. Pretty dusty, man.
Oh, your hair looks great. It's like white.
Dandruff.
Dandruff. Ew.
Oh shit. Probably not good for breathing fiberglass.
I'm not breathing it in, but I have to go like this the whole time. The Steve Jobs of eyeballing other people's work.
I don't know why Steve Jobs would be the choice for character.
Fuck with him.
It's gonna just need to be cut like this way.
Yeah.
This part of it's gonna need to be cut off.
And just like half a centimeter.
Yeah. Because if it's put it on there like this.
Oh, this is a good song.
I know, bitches know me, bitches love me. I be trusting, I be fucking, I don't trust bees, eh? Hey, hey, hey. Couldn't feel that, I know, my dog. Big old food, in the real home. Clothes. Fuck your ex, bitch, I got some shit you know. What about a couple on the inside? Don't call me a fake. On my dick and I do what I say so. Instead of
where I took a breath and I was like, that's not what air smells like.
All this just gonna be covered in fiberglass.
That's alright. You kick the clutch one time and it's all off the car.
Sure. Or I'm gonna grab the air compressor after this one's good.
Yeah. Everything's gonna fly everywhere. Alright, let's see how it looks, baby. Oh, might need a... Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Almost. Maybe just a little more.
Let's see. That's probably good. Probably, yeah.
What about, wait, how does it line up over here? Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah. That'll be it.
Hell yeah. Alright. So we're gonna start drilling?
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm gonna have to play some baby drill.
Baby drill.
Yo, but it's done. Pretty look, you did he line up. I got a piece of comfort. First shit, I did it again. Double cut my scenes.
This drill really sucks. Yeah. This drill is older than me. It's at least 25 years old. And it's a Ryobi. Everything else I have is Milwaukee. Besides this drill, which is my dad's, which is 25 years old or something. It's like Jesus Christ.
Smoke out the power kill. Trapping I made me a kill. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Them was the one that been calling me splurge. I been jump right on the curve.
Yeah! Kobe passing the ball and I got a 30.
I'm running it up, got a drink off the couch. I got mud in my
Only when your drill doesn't really drill.
Big Jack got a bed in the lip. Baby going crazy and shit like carrot. Full hands, you did what
with it. Don't see no Suburbans and spinning. 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 Lying in they raps for the clout. Heard that boy is snakes, fish him out. Boy, I got the wave, you in drought. Reason why my dick and they know this ain't this music.
Woo!
I was a bop.
So funny, you can have so much fun with a car that I just bought for like $1,800. And it's like perfectly reliable too.
Oh, that one was tight. That one is
so tight.
That one was tight. I wish I had been outside recording that one.
Oh God.
Oh God, and then the transition, bro. Stop playing.
I know.
Stop playing with Bobo.
Stop playing with me, Bobo.